Hello y'all, I got this makeup. I did my makeup this morning, looking all cute. I ain't put on lipstick. I am really tired, so I'm gonna show y'all how I take this makeup off, and I'm going to bed. Me and Terrence was up at 5 o'clock this morning. We had to go take care of some business for our Christmas trip that we going on in December. And your girl is tired. I am tired, sleepy, like about to pass out. So I'm gonna do this video real quick, me taking off my makeup. Then I'm going in, I'm going to bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I am so sleepy. Trying to do these videos for y'all. Up early this morning, trying to do these videos for y'all. Recording. But y'all not gonna see them videos till December. I'm gonna wash my face, get the makeup off my face. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell your friends and family to subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow our channel, get a lot of subscribers. So without further ado, and y'all gonna get some more videos. Y'all gonna get one tomorrow. Y'all gonna get one Saturday. Y'all gonna get some more videos the rest of this month. But right now, I can't do it. I'm tired. So let's get into this video. First, I'm gonna take this washcloth. I'm gonna wear it. How y'all think I did on my eyebrows? So they look cute. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna put some soap on the washcloth. Like this, get it all mushy. Like this. Now wash my face. And this is how I get the makeup off. I've been telling y'all to put comments down below. Y'all don't be commenting. But y'all want to see videos. And then some people are unsubscribed when I don't do no videos. Why y'all not commenting on my pictures? Why y'all not telling y'all friends and family to subscribe? It's a lot of work. You gotta edit the videos. You gotta do the videos. You gotta record. Then you gotta upload them on YouTube and put out little boxes for YouTube. I be trying. I be trying. I be trying. Now we're gonna wash the rice again. Put it back on our face. Like this. Watch it some more. Put it back on our face. Like this. Y'all need to be tuning in. Because we have a lot of videos coming up as of tomorrow. We have a lot of videos coming up. And the little thing at the bottom, it'll be a white box. And inside the box it'll say subscribe in red. And the letters will be in white. And it's a little bell at the bottom. When you hit that bell, hit all. So every time I post a video, y'all will see it. I be the one posting the videos and I be the one editing the videos. Because Terrence don't know how to do it. So I do it myself. Okay, now we're going to wring the rice out. Just wring it out. We're going to dump. Put it back on our face. Like this. Now I'm going to take this. And I'm going to do, first I'm going to wash my hands off because I got fish on. Dry them off. This is great for only skin face lotion. Put it on my face. And every time my face be clear and it be glowing. You just spread this on with your hand. See my face, y'all? You just, like lotion, you just put it on your face and smooth it out. Like your face will be glowing and shiny. The lights in the bathroom make it look dim in here, but it's not really dim. And y'all, I went to my beauty room yesterday, right? How about my light glowed? So, I gotta get a new light, put it in my room. And sometimes I like to wash my hands with soap. Okay, here we go. And here goes my face. It's glowing. So that's how I take my makeup off and I put that on. And we are good to go. So give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. And please hit the like button. I appreciate it. Bye.